Hi and welcome to the Hidden Div. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a transparent header for your website. So as you can see at the moment we've kind of got this hero banner section which has got this video playing in the background, and our website header and kind of navigation area is kind of sat above this, and what we want to do is try and create this overlay effect so that it sits on top. So what we're going to do is firstly we're going to go to our template for our header section, and we're just going to click on the main container here, and what we'll do is you can see here we've got the background color set to the dark gray, which is what you're seeing. What we're actually going to do is just drag this all the way down to make it transparent. Because we've got white text here, this is now disappearing against the white background with it being transparent. If that causes any issues and you want to make some edits, you can just drag that back up to make some changes, before then dragging it back down to publish the page. So if we just click publish now and refresh the front end of the page, yeah, you can see now that this has now kind of got this transparent background, but the problem is it's still not overlaying this header section. So what we're going to do is go and correct that now. We'll go back to the template page and select advanced, and what we want to do is set the position here to absolute, and then we will publish that. Just refresh the page there. So as you can see, the navigation section is now overlaying this banner like we want it to, but the logo's kind of disappeared. So this is actually a layering issue. So it's basically that we haven't set a Z index for this section. Sometimes you need to do it, sometimes you don't. It's just, but just be aware that if your logo does disappear when you do this, it's probably an issue with the Z index. So if we stay in the advanced panel here and scroll down, you'll actually see the Z index here. So if we just type in 999 for example, hit publish, and then when we refresh this page, the logo now appears. So that's now sorted. One thing to note is that we've got this WordPress panel up here, and this kind of makes it look as if the logo's being cut off, but that's not the case. It's once you actually see the front end of the site, this will kind of show correctly. It's just because we're logged into WordPress that this panel's shown, and it kind of overlaps the website page. So don't worry about that. One little thing that we're going to do before we go is we can just add a little bit of a border at the bottom of this as well, just to kind of make it look a little bit neater maybe. So if we go to the style tab and go to border type can select is solid, and what we're going to do is just unclick this so the values aren't all tied together, and we're going to put the border value on the bottom as 1 and select the border color as white, and we'll maybe just bring the transparency down sort of halfway, see how that looks, and click publish. So what we'll do if we now go back to the front of the site, there we go, we've got a nice sort of light line going across here just to separate the header section from this hero section that we've got here. And like I say, if we want to kind of bring this transparency down even a little bit more to make that a little bit more of a subtle line, and then we'll click refresh again. So there we go, that's a little bit more of a nice sort of neat line now. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the page, and please comment below if there's any particular videos that you need help with, or if there's any content that you want to see. Just let me know. Thanks for watching.